welcome back to my blog. I woke up in California. Tomorrow we're gonna be going to Knott's Berry Farm, and then today no sé a ver qué vamos a hacer. I'll be vlogging it. Stay tuned. Look at our view. Oh my god, I love it. Yeah, our view is so nice, guys. We're gonna be going downtown right now. It's so nice. Y todas las palmas arriba y arriba y arriba. So nice. Look at guys, so freaking nice. This hotel is so cool. You can do events. There's a restaurant. My sister just had an event today. She does body sculpting and she had it here. Well, not obviously out in here in front in the building. Miguelito, you're gonna get burned, mijo. I love all the palm trees. I love the lights que le ponen. It's so nice here. Downtown Long Beach. It's so nice here. Malayo vivir aquí, no please. Father, can we move here? Just kidding. Can you just buy me a house? It's so nice, guys. You guys, look at the Wells Fargo lights. Look how cool this Michoacana is. That is so freaking cool. Team shopping. Oh, for my son. Miguelito, bye. We're gonna go try la Michoacana. The elf. Oh, what the fuck did I do? I almost pressed the alarm. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got fucking scared. We yelled, guys. I had to fucking pause the video. No me dicen todo el día. Anduve floja todo el día. But mañana we're gonna be going to Knott's Berry Farm. Right now we're walking to what is it called? Queen Mary Ship. The Queen Mary Ship, and we at night we want to pass by there and like look at the window. It's not because it's not open. So, you know, I would have rented a room there. I'm just kidding. I want to do that with friends and then record that for a blog too. And then we're gonna rent scooters. There's only one though. We gotta find another one. Look, one scooters. Okay. This view is so nice. Por ahí andamos ahorita. He was able to get a scooter. Mine was low on battery. ¿Qué importa? Me hace falta caminar. Just kidding. The pool is so pretty. We're walking to Queen Mary. A ver si miramos un ghost. Y que me salga algo aquí a la chingada. It's super nice. Maya, that's our hotel. You found one? He found one. Yes. bad luck. That scooter had no battery también. Qué suave, miren. We were able to. How cool. Only me and my brother know Venom. You wanna stay here, brother?
No.
Too bad it's closed.
Should I go check out these people?
Where? Like over there? My brother said, want me to be honest? I said, yeah. And then he's like, I just want to see a face in one of those windows. I'm like, same, I'm waiting. She was like, what did you say? I mean. Show your face, little ones. You're so stupid. We asked the securities if they've ever seen something at this hotel. And they said they haven't yet, but they hear stuff. They hear stuff, footsteps, and one of the security said, I try not to like that she avoids the paranormal stuff, but that they do hear stuff all the time. They do like for Halloween, they do like mazes and you go around the ship. It's pretty cool, but right now it's closed due to COVID. How cool. You guys, that door is open. They have to have security because in the front,
They don't have like.
the only way to go in there is by the elevator that's up front.
And there's like doors open. There's doors open. That's why security have to be here. They can't lock it down.
My finger got stuck on the stock. It got stuck. It got stuck on the fucking scooter. Mira que chavo está. What the fuck? We are at Knott's Berry Farm. We're gonna park and then we're going inside the park. We're gonna be getting on Ghost Rider. No, she can't. Miguelito. Yeah, Mom. Itzelita. Say hi, guys. She said, welcome to my vlog.
For the whole trip and keep your arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all times.
Tu tata ahí viene. Ahí viene. Ay, ay, ay. I changed my mind, guys. I don't want to get on anymore. Yeah, no thanks.
That's just the mic. Funny ball, no good.
A little que era 14.
Money ball. Make some points here. There you go. And that money ball for 3. Good for 3. We just need one more for a 5. Lines up to Sean. Fires. Makes it for 4. I don't know. And the money ball. Go for it. Shoot it, man. Just don't airball it.
Ooh.
Alright, go ahead and get yourself a hat, man. Go ahead and get yourself a hat.
Gracias a Dios está cerrado. Porque no me quería subir. Hey guys, so I never closed out my vlog in Cali because my phone died in Knott's Berry Farm, but we're finally in Phoenix. After Knott's, we came straight to Phoenix because I had to work. My mom has to take care of my nephew, so nos vinimos. Yeah, that was my Cali vlog. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.